and all three of them are like that. So you got easy, laid-back comfort with genuine leather. And then in here, you have a storage compartment with all your remotes, and then we have the basket to lift out convenience, and these will all be laid out and in pictures. So take a look, okay? And then you know, this here slides to the back, so you got even more storage down in here, and so you got quite a bit in here. And again, these are cup holders, and then I think you also have a USB here, you know, to plug in your USB devices. And then up here, you have more USB devices, 2 of them, with the sconces and your Bose sound system. And then these here are your screens that will flip out. And you know, if you wanted fresh air, this pulls out a little more, okay? And these are very comfortable. And you have lots of storage there underneath, okay, on both sides. And then you have a panel here that flips down that has a lot more of the stereo componentry. And you know, everything, which we'll go into more in detail in one video, all on the audio visual. And Samsung with a Bose system, and you got lots of storage. Fireplace that really makes heat, by the way. Okay, it's got a visual in the back, but it kicks out quite a bit of heat. And you had your audio visual center, your big screen TV, okay? Lots of space here. The flip up cabinets. This table now has been pulled out, so you could actually have 4 people sit here. Okay, you have the two chairs like this, and then you have 2 matching folding chairs that are underneath that you could pull out. So when you're outside, if you want 4 chairs, you can just take these right out. This little platform right here, it slides in, and you had, I don't know if you noticed, but you had a little storage compartment down here, and then that goes in, and these are all solid wood, all of this. And here, big storage compartment. And the drawers pull way out to give you lots of room. And then there's a hole in the back of the drawer, so if you had wiring that you wanted to go in there, you could put the wiring through. And this has the day shade and the night shades, okay? And then these all close up. And then again over here, you got the drawer, and you have more storage here. And down here, lots of storage. And then you have these lights that light up. Over here you have 2 plugs. And then again, you got the day shades and the night shades. You got the little spotlights that come on, the dining sconces, and then these sconces on the side. It lights up beautifully inside. And then over back to the couch, this is with it now, with the footrest down, okay? And you got lots of room for this, okay? And the buttons to extend them are right inside each chair. And again, here you have a USB, so you could plug in a USB. You got 2 plugs over here with power and sconces. Yeah, the speakers up top there, Bose. Really beautiful sound system. And but you can do these individually, 1 out or 2, or all 3. And we already showed you inside there. So we'll be showing you more. I think we've already showed you the kitchen, these lights at night. And then on your panel here, it's simple. You can click all these and put on any lights you want. Like over there, I put those on, you know, and then here. And then over there, I put those on, over the couch and midship. That's these here, these big bright ones, and call them midship. And then, let's see here, and then base accent. That's all your accent lights down here along the base. It's really beautiful at night because you could turn this off and just have the accent lights if you're watching TV or whatever. Then you have the top accent panel in the center, right there. And again, on, off. And the edge accents you see over there. More edge accents, and then more edge accents up here up top. So you have a lot. And then of course this is completely programmable microwave, which was covered in another video. And so back to here, we were about done with this, but in here you have your panel, so you have your stool ceiling light and your accents, which are these down here, okay, which you could have without that ceiling, so you could just have the accent lighting if you wanted, and a lot of flexibility here. And then in the bedroom, there was your bedroom light switch right here, and you could do the stool shade and stool shade. So the shade again has the day shade, which is this one right here, Okay, they can't see in, but you can see out. And then you have the nightshade, and that's on all windows. You can hang what you needed to there. There's a little compartment with a sink, and you got big full drawers. Okay, and then you got down here storage, and storage here. This goes all the way back in here, and all the way back in there. So you got lots of extra storage. You got hot and cold, and your soap dispenser, and again 2 plugs here in the bathroom. And over here, here's your air. You can run your fan overhead, and what have you. You know, so it's really beautiful. This is all real wood, okay, real cloth, and real quality. And again, this is another panel that has more. I started to go over that earlier. G6A. You'll see pictures of all the things that are included in this with the buttons. You can turn them on, turn them off, and a lot of control in this. Okay, that you can do. And then you got these here, and then that there, and all real wood. So again, you can turn this off. Bedroom ceiling. Turn this off, and you just have the accents. Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? And you can turn it off, and we're now.